Yeah, hi, hello guys. So, is my voice audible to you? Okay. So, anyone who have any doubt, they can raise their hand. So we'll add them in the panelist. Yes, Somesh, go on with your query. Hello. Yes, Somay or Somesh, you can go on with your query.
Yes, sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yes, I can say. Yes, yes. I am working on mass detection project using deep learning.
Mm-hmm.
So I added in prototype deploy model. I deployed the file, but I saw this error.
So this proto-text should be, we are passing this proto-text. You are passing
Yes, sir.
correctly here, yeah?
Yes, yeah, right part. Yeah,
Okay. Wait, open saving. CVDNN. Can you copy the error is like from fail to the last whatever the error you are getting
what's that?
in cell number 4 at the error
Yeah.
part you are getting at the bottom. uh, copy from the failed part. Yeah, copy all the things and share with me.
Okay, I will chat in.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm looking for it. From the error we can say see like it is not able to open your deploy.prototext, right?
Yes, yes,
Have you passed the correct thing under the prototext?
yes, sir. I correct. I right. I check many times.
Can you show me what you have what you have added in the prototext, deploy.prototext?
The product I will see the file. Mm, just a minute.
Hmm. And can you show me how you have given a path for a prototext
Yeah,
in
yeah.
your model? At line number 4 you have given, right? Can you show me?
From screen is visible.
No, it's not visible.
One. Yeah, this is my folder, and this is a part,
Mm-hmm.
and this file is there.
Okay. Go to your Jupyter notebook and show me the path you're passing at line number at cell number 4, right?
Yes.
Go to your Jupyter notebook. Yeah.
Yes.
os.path dots. I'm not join. Is not proto text. Proto text path. Waits path. And CV. Can you give a slash after the mask detection? And there is a gap in between mask and detection. Can you fill that gap with a underscore
Yes.
from your folder? Go to your folder and fill them with the underscore. So may you're doing.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have changed the folder name.
Yeah.
Okay.
After slash.
And then yeah, and the weights also give underscores after a mask underscore detection. In weights path also.
I will. So this is invalid syntax.
Remove a slash from the yeah, remove it. And give a mask underscore detection in weights path also.
Okay.
Mm. Can you give a slash of forward slash? Can you give it in there after mask detection forward slash? Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Just not able to find out your deploy.proto text. Give us double slash. Give a double slash. And this object detection done with which TensorFlow version? Can you tell me? 2.0 or 1.14?
2.1.
2.1. Okay. Have you again run run this file?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Ritesh, you are there? Ritesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
So can you see what is happening here?
Can you?
It's not able to open his file.
Okay, okay. Which file? Like which file is not able to open? Like
The
tell me this. Like
line number 3, you can see a proto text path.
okay,
It is not
prototype.
able to open it.
Okay, what issue it is showing? Open CV. error field fs dot is open, can't open. Is it is not able to read that file, like it is not able to open. Why? Change the slash, like change the slash in all the path, whole path. Make it backslash. Make it forward, all forward. Let's check.
या यहाँ पे सिंगल ही रहने दूं.
Just give single in everywhere.
Yes.
Run it.
No, it's not working.
Proto text. What issue it is giving you? Can't open in function cvdnn. Wait, let me see something onto it. Wait for a while.
Okay,
Save.
okay.
Can you give a double slashes, double backward slashes? Not forward, backward slash. Double backward slash. Everywhere. Remove slash from the end. Remove it. Yeah. Do it in waits path also. Hmm.
No, sorry, it's not working.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. See, do this. Do one thing. Like I found something like. Okay, do this thing. I sent it in the chat. Like just do this. I found something. So people are also facing the same issue. So they have done this thing. Like just try to do this. And this is the present into your mask detection folder, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Join dir name file. Okay, do this. Make it according to it. Join dir
Okay.
name.
I
Okay. It make it according to this, and then I guess it will work. And do one thing, like take this deploy.proto.txt and this file .cafe model and put it onto this folder where this is the mask testing using video is there.
okay.
Okay, and then you can able to use this dir file name easily.
Okay. I will.
Yeah, do this now. Then if you face any error, then come back here. You can
Okay.
ask.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Somesh, you can go on with your question. Somesh, we can't able to hear you.
Hello,
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Sorry. Uh, Actually, I have a doubt related to the last question homework as a given by the Sudhanshu sir. He has given this AI 4i 2020 predictive maintenance to create a model linear regression model as a homework in that, and using these are the tasks related to that, using pandas profiling create create pandas profiling and all. So these are the findings I have written here.
Mhm.
Like these are the findings, but when I'm going to see create the model, uh, I have to choose which features I'm not able to, because see this process temperature, these all are, I mean, in normal distribution, and this is the I mean target, and these are the features, 1 2 3 4, but this all should be, I mean, this all should be included, right? Because these are the machine failures, I think. I mean, this, let me show you the data. See, I mean, these are the data, I mean, conditions on which this machine is failing somewhere, like see, where 0 is showing, I mean, not as a failure, 1 is showing as a failure. And so, I mean, how I can include these terms as features in my, I mean, model? Because in that example he has given to us, in the sales example, where he was using sales and TV example, he gave he took one feature, and I mean, one y is equal to mx plus c, so there was one x and one y. But here, I mean, there are more than I think, more than one x, I mean, features. So how am I going to include all this?
Okay, so you do not need to include these all. Just use sklearn libraries; they will do automatically. You are talking about the linear regression. So in linear regression, we generally follow y equals to mx plus c. But when you are going to use sklearn
Uh-huh.
any libraries like logistic regression or random any libraries, this is known as, you can say, multi-features. We are having multiple features.
Uh-huh.
Sir has only discussed now the single feature regarding the single features. So he will discuss more features in the
Uh-huh.
upcoming class.
Yes.
So wait for then, like he will discuss like all the.
So
It is just a
um,
starting. Yes. See.
so I mean, you see, so it's from this graph, I mean, how correlated things are. See, I mean, let me show you the variable, the interactions. So only in air temperature and process temperature is showing linear, I mean, linearly distributed data. So am I going to, I mean, draw the linear regression by this features only?
You can take these features which are highly correlated. You can take that features.
I mean, the how this, but how the machine is, I mean, this relation is going to, I mean, predict कि कहाँ पे मशीन फेल करेगी और कहाँ पे नहीं फेल करेगी, क्योंकि वो सारे वो डेटा यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, ये क्या कहते हैं, मशीन, ये जो ये सारे हैं ना,
See, you need to take that
ये
values which are dependent onto the target. There are a lot of values onto the table which are not dependent onto the target value, which do not give you the end result. Drop these values and take only that values which will produce a perfect target or a prediction for you. That's the only point here. Like take these value only, which are showing some kind of a contributing to the target value.
uh, and where is it necessary to be in normally distribution?
You can make it if you are able to make it
Because
onto the normal distribution curve,
I
then
mean,
it will be good. Like just
see,
first
this is
distribute
a
that values.
0 1 curve. How how am I,
Yes. See,
is it possible to make it
no,
normal
no, it is
distribution?
not.
I
It
mean,
is not possible
because
because
zero
zero.
boolean.
Yes, you do not.
Uh,
You can't able to make any normal distribution here. You can not able to find any perfect normal distribution in machine learning. It is very tough. You will find only this like TWS. This is the little bit normal distribution, but you can't able to find any perfect normal distribution.
okay. So there are more than one x's, right? Here there are going to be more than x1, x2, and x3, x4, and x5, right?
Yes. So there are multi-dimension. This is a multi-dimension data. It contains a lot of features. So you need to take that feature which contribute to the target value. That's it.
Okay. This is contributing to the target, but it is not normal. I mean, I'm confusing in that because it is not in linear. I mean, linearly distributed. This PWF, OSF, and RNF, you know, these are, I mean, these are related to the target, but I mean, not in a linearly related. So the model which I'm going to build, that is linear regression, will it work? Hello, hello, hello,
Yes, yes, Sumit.
hello, hello.
Yes, yes, Sumit.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
I was saying,
Mm-hmm.
if these are not linearly distributed with the target data, so and if I'm going to include as x2, x3, x4, and x5, so will it be possible to make the model? I mean, will it be feasible to create the model, linear regression model?
Yeah, it would be feasible. First of all, understand about the data set. What is the data set, and take those features only. Okay, take those features which is suitable for your for your model. Okay, study about the data set. Which thing you have to exclude from the data set, from the features, and then take those things only which is giving you which is good, which is best for your target. Okay.
Hmm. So like that, this torque here, this
Mm-hmm.
torque and this RPM,
Mm-hmm.
this is 88% related to each other. So this shows the multicollinearity, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is torque and this is rotational speed. So this is showing the 88%, right?
Mm-hmm.
88% multicollinearity. So are
Mm-hmm.
we going to? I mean, we should exclude this, right? Drop it. I mean, completely drop it.
Yeah, you can drop it, but first of all, study about the data set. What is the data set is mainly about? What is the data set is mainly about? What is the main goal for you?
Main goal for me is to find out the condition at which we have to find out the temperature,
Mm-hmm.
where all the conditions where machine is failing actually, at the condition where machine is failing,
So
at which temperature.
so your target value is machine failure, right?
Temperature, air temperature. This
Okay.
this air temperature.
So take those features only which are suitable for which is affecting the temperature. Take those values only. It's like with the machine failure, with that machine failure
Okay.
isn't required, right? You want to check the temperature only, right?
I want to check the temperature on features, on these features. I mean, when these what is the condition what is the condition at which we have to find out the temperature which machine is failing actually. Then I think the target value would be machine failure.
So you are confused on your own self only with your target with your data set. First, study about that data set and find your goal, what you have to do, and then exclude some features which are not required for your problem. Okay, then it would be easy for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Vivek. Vivek.
Yes. Okay, sir. I have a question regarding the courses. Actually, I'm the student of machine learning course, November batch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I'm actually, because of my university exam, I'm not able to continue with the machine learning course, and because of that, the DPR report completion and the resume discussion part is missed. Missed. So, is it possible to complete all the tasks and raise for the resume discussion or get into the placement drive?
So your resume discussion isn't done. So you got any mail from us from our side for a resume
Yes,
discussion?
I have got the course completion certificate Google form or two three mail because for the course, but due to my exam, I'm not able to fill this form because I'm not active, so I'm not from those Google forms.
Okay, so you can connect the Skype support team. Tell them like whenever next resume discussion will going to happen, so they can
Okay,
include your name in it. Okay, then you
okay,
can join the resume discussion and you can discuss your resume with the mentors. Okay.
okay, okay. And another feedback for me to iNeuron
Mm-hmm.
that please add a dark mode to the website because I'm
Dark.
spending dark mode
Okay. Okay.
because I'm spending 6 to 7 hour of time of my
Mm-hmm.
full day. So
Mm-hmm.
this is my feedback to iNeuron team. Is
Okay.
it
Okay.
possible to?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll consider your feedback. We'll
Okay,
try to change it. Add a
okay,
dark feature in it. Okay.
okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hello. Hi,
Yes. Yes, sir.
myself Sharad. I have a doubt regarding. Okay, i- is my screen visible?
Not yet. Okay. Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Uh, so earlier in the class, sir had mentioned there are few assumptions of linear regression. One of them is homoscedasticity, where it should not vary much. Vary should not be much as compared to whatever we are choosing. Like it should be in a same manner.
Mm-hmm.
यहाँ पे जितना है वेरिएंस हो रहा है यहाँ पे आगे जाके भी उतना ही हो it should not be distribute like this and this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so but later in that class what we have done, we have take this data, advertisement data, and seeing the sales based on TV news, newspaper and radio. While I was seeing that, I have clearly it is visible, it is not homoscedasticity was not there, it is heteroscedasticity, right?
Mm-hmm.
So still we have used the linear regression. I couldn't understand. Like, is this assumptions are not hard and fast rule or what? मतलब किस तरीके से किया गया? मैं इस चीज को मतलब ये assumptions जो होते हैं, how
Mm-hmm.
much strict they are and how much we can neglect it on what basis, and that's it. Yes.
Okay.
How do we do that?
Ritesh, you're there?
Yes, yes. See. These are assumptions are depend on data set, like how your data
Yeah.
set is behaving.
Yeah.
It depends from data set to data set. There are a lot of different data sets. Some data set has high correlation, some data set has high covariance, and these all factors depend from data set to data set.
Okay. So homoscedasticity, even though it is not satisfying here, still
Yes,
we
yes.
can use it linear regression.
Yes, you can use. See, you always see the that variable which is contributing to the target variable more, so that you can get a better result. Let's say you have 50 features, then you can't take that amount of features. So you need to drop that amount of features and take only that one which are contributing to the target value much.
Okay. Okay. For example, there's one more query. I'm using this profile reporting. Instead of getting a scattered plot, I'm getting this hexagonal one. I couldn't find a way to change it.
No. See. It is you have done something wrong. Like check the documentation. Check the documentation onto the okay. Just show me what
This
you have run like. Okay.
nothing,
Under
just
profile. Okay.
this.
Then this is a different plot. Like according to a documentation, check whether you are this is a which type of plot. I guess they have this type of plot is known as scatter in terms of them. Like they
Okay.
told them as a scatter.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And earlier, when you were saying to that person, it should that our target value as per the question, it was air temperature, and rest are the features only. We have to sort it as you have mentioned. We have to select the feature which is more correlated with the target value. So here I can easily see that process temperature is related, and it was related to my target temperature. And but torque is showing at random. It's not having a clear cut feature.
Okay, so see, which
Okay,
is
so
the
I can basically remove it.
yeah, you can drop it.
Okay, okay, okay. And see, I have a question regarding ANOVA also.
Yes, yes.
ANOVA is basically uh, we analyze the variance
Variance.
between two groups.
Yes, yes.
Okay, two or more groups basically. So इसका हम use feature selection में कैसे करते हैं? I couldn't get understand it. Uh,
See. Using the variance, you first analyze the variance, like get a report
okay,
about the variance. Then check like how the variance is dependent on each and every variable, how the variance is behaving on each and every, like there is some criteria to check what all variance, which variance is good, which variance is bad. So you can take a look and see. For feature selection, the main thing is known as correlation is one of the best thing to check when you are searching for some kind of a, taking a look onto which feature is contributing more. So correlation give you the better result. Like ANOVA is just a some kind of a theoretical part, which is ANOVA and these all, like testing and these
uh,
all.
okay. Impact of variances here what
How
they
far is
want
the
to
numbers are from the mean? Yes.
means
Yes, yes.
like एक ऐसे करके ग्राफ बन रहा है जिसमें it's widely having a variance from like starting from 1 to 100 and there is another plot who is slightly steep तो उसका variance कम हो गया तो उसका impact कम हो गया basically ऐसा है क्या
Yes, yes, yeah.
एक second just a second okay, if variance is like this तो इसका impact high है और if it is like this curve is like this its impact is low
Yes,
ऐसा
yeah. Yes, yes, yeah. Correct.
ओके इसमें जैसे मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स के लिए मैं रन कर रहा हूँ तो इसमें मुझे जैसे आई इसमें रिस्पॉन्स वेरिएबल दे आर मेंशनिंग व्हिच आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट्स अ टारगेट
Target.
टारगेट वैल्यू दैट वी
Yes.
आर ट्राइंग टू अचीव तो इसमें मुझे मतलब इसमें तो लाइक सबको हम एक साथ फीड कर देते हैं वी गेट द वैल्यू आउट ऑफ इट की एफ वैल्यू क्या है या हाँ फाइनली वी गेट द एफ वैल्यू ना तो उसमें मेरे को पता कैसे चलेगा कि विच वेरिएबल इज हाईली कोरिलेटेड विच इज नॉट मतलब इसका बेसिकली यूज नहीं समझ में आया मेरे को कि ये कैसे करेंगे जैसे टी टेस्ट में इट इज क्लियर की दो के बीच में जो रिलेशन है आई एम गेटिंग चाहे स्क्वायर में भी दो के बीच में क्या रिलेशन आई एम गेटिंग बट इफ देयर आर मल्टीपल फीचर्स हाउ एनोवा इज वर्किंग आई एम अनएबल टू अंडरस्टैंड
Okay. See, I have also not used about the ANOVA analysis of variance. I have generally, when there are multiple features to correlate, I generally use correlation. So
okay
if this article give you something like good thing, then you can take a look, because for multiple variables I have never
tried
tested.
it was not very clear
Yes,
this
see.
article and that's why I raised the question
Yes, see. For multiple variables, I have also not tested onto like how it is
okay
behaving onto the multiple variables,
okay
creating a
you
distribution for
just read the correlation Pearson or
yes, Pearson
Spearman
correlation and Spearman
or
correlation. Yes.
Spearman. Okay, if it is highly correlated with target value, you are
Yes.
taking that.
Yes,
Otherwise,
see, that are
just dropping it.
only used for that purpose only, for correlation, getting the
Okay.
correlations.
But Spearman and Pearson, I think they are only applicable to number data, not category
So yes,
categorical.
for categorical, you need to convert it first to the particular using some
Acha,
kind of a
oh,
encoding. Convert it to the
okay.
use one hot encoding or any encoding like label
हाँ,
encoding and then perform any operation onto it.
okay. अच्छा ठीक है can I get feature selection से related कोई और article can you
Okay.
share
See,
with me
just
मतलब
ping
मेरे
onto
को
this.
कुछ मिल नहीं रहा
Just ping onto this Skype. You will get something like if there is
okay
someone who has used multiple feature, you can say tested on multiple feature, you will
okay
get.
Skype support
Yes. Just ping there.
okay
I
ठीक है,
will ask
ठीक
to
है,
send
ठीक है, ठीक है।
send you something like.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, thank you for now. Thank you
Yeah,
very
welcome.
much.
Welcome.
Hello, sir. Can I go ahead?
Yes. Super.
Yeah, sure. Sir, I have to show. Can I share my screen, sir? I have to show my error I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
getting.
yeah.
Let me just share my screen.
Mhm.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, sir. The thing is, I am getting an error on the Selenium right there. I am getting this error. So can you help me, sir? I am pass-through is not supported on GL Swift header. I am getting this when I'm enabling this headless option. You can see that their headless option is enabled. So if I disable this option, na, then if I run this one, there is a no problem. So can you help me with this? Actually, I can show. Should I show you, sir? Now it will work because I have disabled this headless option. But when
What you are doing here means the image
I
scraping?
am, yes, sir. I am trying to scraping image from the website. I am using Selenium, sir.
Mhm.
But I am, but the thing is, these errors come suddenly. The code, my code was running smoothly, but I don't know how it just suddenly this error is showing. But I have, I search a lot. I search a lot on the internet. I do some kind of permutation combination by disabling GPU, enabling GPU, and those kind of things. But sir, I am not getting any solution. So can you please help me, sir, with this?
Pass-through is not supported GLS
Yes,
Swift status. So
yes, sir.
at which line this error is coming? Can you show me?
In the first attempt, sir. Let me run this one from the beginning. Now it's not. Sorry, sir. First is dev tool is listening. It is not saying, and after that, this is saying. And it is not opening any screen, sir. I mean, it is failing to open the Chrome driver, Chrome browser. I don't know, sir. Why it is. If I show you, sir, let me terminate this section, and then let me show you. Let me disable this option. Okay, now there is a no headless. There should be open the pop-up menu.
What is this
Chrome.
headless is doing here? What is the
Headless. Let me show you. You can see I am disabling this one. No? Let me show you. Then it will be clear. Because Selenium is automating the Chrome browser. So as you can see, there is a pop-up browser is open here. And it is doing totally automatically. So headless option is doing. It will not open this pop-up browser. It will all the things it will do in the backend. It will not show the user that here is a browser and it will be open. So that thing is actually headless doing here. But yeah, it is working. Yeah, now you can see that it's done properly saved and it saved all the links. It is also downloading. Sir. Now it is working fine. There is no problem. But in the when I upload this section, when I deploy this code now, then there will be a pop-up. This Chrome will pop up. So it is looking very bad. So that's why.
Okay. The error you are getting, can you copy and paste in chat? Let me look.
Which one, sir?
The
This
the
the full
GPU one.
the full code.
No, not the full code. The error you are getting.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is like you are uncommenting this headless. So
Yeah,
line.
there is something, sir.
Yeah.
Pass-through is not supported. Sorry for that. Sir, I just said it, sir, in the chat.
Okay. Okay, wait for a second.
Yeah, no problem.
We'll try to look at. In the meantime, if anyone having any
Sir,
doubt,
I
they
have
can
actually, sir, can I ask more questions?
Yes.
It is actually, sir, it is regarding internship, but it is general, not a technical one. General question, sir. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah, the thing is, sir, I am doing a BI project, and almost for every project, the data set is already given, right? So, sir, is there needed any there is so then why, sir, I use any database? So, is there any use of database for that particular? So, I can directly load the data set from my local machine on Tableau. So, is there any use of database? Cassandra, is there any use of that? Should I use it?
So for the business intelligence, you are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I'm doing the health data analysis, the heart disease. So I have downloaded this one. So I can perform the analysis from my local machine. So is there any use of Cassandra database? Because ready to use Cassandra database for that. So I mean, so I'm new now. I am from non-technical background. I am a mechanical engineer, but the thing is, I'm not getting what is actually aim for the BI project. So should I, sir, only create a dashboard and publish it, or is there any other work to do in the BI project? If you sir, just please clarify this one.
You have to push your data set to the Cassandra, and from that Cassandra, you have to
my Tableau.
Connect to the Tableau, and from there you can do your work, create a dashboard from that.
Okay, sir.
You have
So
to
I have to show
retrieve,
this.
yeah, you have to retrieve the data from the Cassandra and you can show it to your dashboard.
The thing is, sir, I was searching for the how to dump the. So, sir, dumping in Cassandra is not a big deal for me, sir. But the, sir, is there any option to Tableau connecting the Cassandra database to Tableau? Because I didn't find any. I mean, there is some driver called ODCVC or CData, but CData is a paid one. Is there any way to, sir, connecting the Cassandra database to my Tableau?
We also didn't try with the Tableau. We didn't done that. Okay, you can raise this issue in a. You can write a mail to it.
Okay, sir. I need an
Okay.
internship.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do a mail and
Okay.
we'll check it out and we'll give you some.
Okay, sir.
solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
One thing, sir. One just it is the last one. Just
Uh-huh.
a thing. Sir, I have done already a project on email, right? And the thing is, can I show my skin? Let me show my skin. I have done this. Let me show this one. This is bike share prediction. So the thing is, my project is rejected. Some issue. This for this project. Here I am actually only doing there is a no retaining option. So retaining Sudhanshu sir told me retaining option is free for every project. That is that. But I have seen sir, some project on LinkedIn they didn't apply any kind of retainer. They directly build a model on Julia Notebook, simply save it as a pickle file. After that, he just created an API. So, sir, is that the correct way to approach a machine learning project, or I have to introduce a return approach on every project? So, if you just tell me, sir, help me on this in machine learning project. So, because there is a description that says that I have to build a model only, but in the behind there is a many things are saying there, and also from the instruction. But I am not getting actually what I have to do in particular machine learning project. Suppose you can see that this project by Shabri. So the instruction was to build a project where you can predict the expected customer for a given day. So I just build this system where user will get the all the input and after that it will get the prediction. So that is I have built, but it was rejected, sir. But I don't know. I'm not getting actually what I have to do extra. If you just help me, sir, please.
You didn't get any comment from our side.
Yeah, comment was I have to introduce retain approach, and that's what I have programming for some kind of documentation because I have some problem. I am going to fix that, no problem with that one. But retain approach will be sir, that is needed for every project. Retain approach means that will be a little bit complex. I mean, if that needed, then we have to do it. But if you just clarify this one.
Yeah, for this
Retain,
project, for this project you are getting, so you have to create a retrain your retrain project for that.
Yeah, like
you have to add this thing, that thing.
Also, just like the wafer fall detection, right? The user
Yes.
will upload the data and then there will be a couple of model and it will on retrain and the inside. After that, it will choose the best one from the given. Right,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
Okay, sir. So that I have to implement. In that way, I will get the confirm. I mean the successful evaluation, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sir. That is what. So I will send us a mail to the internship for the Cassandra. Yeah, Cassandra to connect the Tableau. Yeah, if you please help me, sir. Please help me. Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
And sir, this one, sir, and this project, I mean, this
I'm looking for it. What error you are getting? Why you are
okay.
getting this
Sure. Should I stay here?
Yeah. Stay
Okay.
here. We'll call your name and.
Yes, no problem. I am here, sir. I'm stop sharing, sir.
Okay.
Hi, Vikash.
Yeah, hi, Pratik.
Hi. I'm just sharing my screen. Just please let me know once you see it. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So my concern is regarding the machine learning homework task that the person was discussing some time back, which Sudhanshu gave. So so this is the data set which we have to create a linear regression model. So if we check, air temperature is the only should be the only label, and this all columns can be the features. But if I check the data, the correlations, first of all the interactions, so I see there is a kind of linear correlation between air temperature and process temperature only, and no other features. And secondly, both air temperature and process temperature are not normally distributed. So should I should I do something to make this normally distributed?
Ritesh,
Okay. Yeah. So which value you need to make a normal distribution?
I mean, that's what my question is, because among all these features, I see only process temperature is linearly related with air temperature, or air
Okay.
temperature is linearly related. So this is the scatter plot which we are getting for process temperature against air temperature. And if we see the hist plot of both of them, so it doesn't seem to be normally distributed.
Okay.
So what should be my approach? I mean,
Okay.
should I?
Apply some kind of a transformation like log transformation or e to the power x transformation to make it into a particular range, and then you will get a particular uh, distribution, normal distribution. And if you're comparing two plots, then it is difficult to get like normal distribution. It depends like from data to data.
Okay. No,
So
I'm this is not the comparison. This is just a hist plot of process temperature,
okay. So
and this
if
is a air
you
temperature.
want to make a particular feature into a normal distribution, correct? So apply some kind of a transformations. There are a lot of transformation like log transformation and these also. What they will do, they will make your value in a particular range or normalize the values between 0 to 1, and then you can
Okay.
make a normal distribution.
Okay.
Generally we do these all kind of technique. Like you see some values are too much high, like
Yeah.
311 at that there are too much high values, some are very less. Your plot is correct, it is widely spread, but the curve is, it is not a perfect bell curve. So for
Yes.
making that, you can apply some kind of a transformation, linear transformation or log transformation, any which you want. Like there are a lot of transformation. Just search and take a look.
Okay. And can we also apply Z-score on this?
Z score. So you need to take a test. Like you need to take a look onto what after you get after the Z score, because I can't say it. It depends on data to data. It depend
Okay.
like it depend on, we can't say like what if you get the choice of data which you want after Z square. So it depends. Like you can take a test Z square also.
Okay.
If you get a better result, use that.
Yeah. No, I'm not talking about Z test. I'm talking about Z score. I mean, in statistics, we learned that if we apply Z score, then the data set can be converted into normal
Yes,
or Gaussian.
that is what I'm saying. Like
Oh, okay.
you need to test like whether you are getting that part of the bell curve or not.
Oh, okay.
If you're
Okay.
not getting, then apply transformations.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. And when I was checking the in the profiling report, when I was checking the correlations, so I'm seeing that air temperature, which is my label, or which is the output, which I can say the label, is only highly correlated with the process temperature I see, and all the other columns or features, it is not at all correlated. I see that. So is my approach correct, that in for my model I am taking only process temperature as a feature, and air temperature as a air temperature is the label, so I'm taking only one column, one feature for this model?
It is correct. It is correct. If you're taking, okay. It is correct what you're taking.
Okay, fine. So as
Yeah.
of now, I only need to apply some transformation techniques
Yes.
to.
Just apply transformation technique. There are a lot. Just search for like which is suitable to you, then apply it and then check whether you are getting some kind of a bell curve or not. If it is you are near to the bell curve, then it is also good. Like you can't get perfect bell curve every time.
Uh, okay,
Yes.
fine.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
what was my concern. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hi, team. Hello.
Yes. You can share your screen, Prabhat. You can share your screen.
Okay, sure. Yeah. After long hold. Okay, that's fine. Is my screen visible? Is my voice is audible?
Yes. Go ahead.
So as you know, the same issue like last time I am facing. It's been 7 days. I have been waiting for the answer. So okay, that's fine. So what is the issue? Let me uh, clarify you once again. So here if I'll put the debug point, then it is going down to that point, but it is not coming to this point. If I'll debug it,
Okay, so why you need debugging? Why you need debugging? Just the answer.
just because I wanted to understand the project, dog and cat project, where it
So-
is going.
Okay, okay. So this is built by you, na? So this project.
Yeah.
So
It is
why
running fine. It is running
is-
fine.
it is running fine? Then why you doing debugging, creating an error like for it?
I'm not creating the error. I'm trying to understand the flow of it.
Okay, okay, sir. So let me tell you the flow of your project.
No.
Then you can-
Telling it is fine, but let's suppose I got stuck somewhere, then I have to do the debugging, right? So that there.
Okay, so you have debug hello world program.
See, that is different part. It is just a simple thing. Why this is not coming to the next line? If I'll click on this, it is just vanish everything.
Okay, so is everything like just put onto the another line
Sure.
if it is coming or not.
Where? Tell me, sir. Line number.
Anywhere you want, like which
Okay.
part you want to understand.
Yeah, let me just put it. So let me just increase the font so that you would be able to see it. Welcome font. Yeah. Okay, so do you have to remove this?
Yes, remove this and put anywhere like where you want to check whether it is passing to next line or not.
Yeah, here I have kept it for now. I'll rerun it. It will not run actually. It is coming to this 14 point, but it is not coming to the down update.
Okay. So is none time is always, I have also told you, like none type is always show when it is not getting something. Like when you run the project, it is running fine. When you are
Yeah.
performing debugging, it is not getting to the next line.
No. What is happening is like it is not coming to the C. If you look at the after flags or name, so are you gonna to use any object here? Are you gonna to put any any file or something? No, right? If you look at the, let me do one thing. Let me just I'll show you up where it is coming back, and then we'll also understand. So it is going back. Let me just, yeah. So I'll just coming over here. So it went into the another file where you could see it is coming to this, and then I'll step over here. It will go and app.py. There it is, something is occurring. Then we can look for.
Okay, don't open these, like it has a lot of code structure inside it. It is built by like developers, so it will be tough to read. Open that app.py, like check why it is showing like this.
Sure. Yeah.
None type error.
Yeah.
Trivata, your code is working. Why you are using a debugging in here?
Why, sir? Because see, if I go at the predict part, there I have put my thing. So sometime what happened, if something goes wrong, right, then you have to debug it and try to find out that where that issue. Let's suppose you have.
Have you checked with the other project also? With the other project is like other than this cat and dog project. Have you checked that?
No, because my intention is to do this, so I don't want to fluctuate one again and again to different projects. So that's the reason I just focus on only single project. Yeah. So I don't think so. This is gonna to be bigger things for you guys. So if we just look at it correctly,
Yeah.
sure. So I'll click on step over or like this one, and this is coming to this.
So this is okay. App.py.
Dekho, now it came to 14 now. And if I'll click on this F7, which is just gonna do freeze the screen. Yeah, now see. So what does that happen?
So it is saying a variable is not are not available.
Which variable then? Already variables are there, right? Inside that.
Go to the console.
Sure.
Console. Oh, what it's saying? Runtime object is not iterable.
This is the previous one. I think it doesn't print anything on console. It was already printed. I believe so. Okay, we could be, this could be considered.
Okay. Can you run and show me it is working or not? Means
Sure.
the code is not iterable kind of thing in here.
Sure.
Not,
Sure, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is running. You see. This is multi-class classification, which where what I did is, like, I try to create my object. I kept my object and try to detect some teeny object and all things. So okay. So yeah, it is working fine. But the thing is, why it is getting hacked here?
okay. Can you share this code, the same code with me? I am checking.
I believe I could have shared. I would have shared with you. Like I did share with you. I think last week. Yeah.
No, you didn't
It's
share with me. Means if you have that link with you, okay, that you have shared, just paste the link in chat. I will check in my system. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, now I will check it. Be
Sure.
available. Yeah,
Sure.
I will check it. Okay, share that.
Okay. No worries. Thank you so much. So one more thing I would like to ask, like, so let's suppose we have I'll show you one thing. Let's suppose we have a teeny object. So I can give you. Oh wait. And let's suppose this image contains some, you could see this image has some not, this is not grain, you could see, right? This is not grain, this is something outer part of it. So let's suppose I wanted to find out that how many grains have been present here, and then like what are the different particles have been present. So what your recommendation for, like, which model should we go ahead with?
Ritesh, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, see. There is a method known as tiny object detection. You just tile the image into different tiles, perform some kind of a object detection onto them, or which task you are performing.
What I'm trying to do is, it is like see, I'm trying to find out the object of it, like what has happened in the real time is like once we used any
You are doing object detection, correct? Just tell me. Okay,
Yeah.
so distribute it onto the tiles, onto different tiles, onto small tiles.
Okay.
So tiles means a matrix image. Divide the image onto the matrix.
Okay.
Take that part, small part,
Okay.
and then perform object detection upon it. Search. If you search for tiny object detection, you will get a method by RoboFlow. So perform RoboFlow. You will get just search for tiny object detection. You will get a first website known as about the RoboFlow. You will take a look onto them. Like they have performed the same thing. Tiling part.
RoboFlow direct search करता हूँ. RoboFlow, right?
RoboFlow tiny object detection. Just search for that. And there are different models, like YOLO V5 tiny YOLO V5. So you can also use it. Like, so this is the link, tackling tiny object detection.
First one.
Yes. So they have given like how to perform tiling. So you need to do that the same.
I think I did saw it, but I did feel that it does have it does track the object which is moving around. So
no, it is just you need to take a look onto the technique which you're doing, tiling your image. So tiling your image is the one of the technique, like to apply onto the tiny object detection.
Okay, okay. So you're saying that we could, yeah, this problem statement could be solved by using these things.
Yes, yes. Tiny object detection is the thing when you are having a very tiny objects, then you need to apply some kind of a object detection. Then you choose tiny object detection.
Okay, so the approach would be like first we have to tiles it, and then we have to use like according to that whatever it is there, we have to use that. You
Yes, tile them, remove, take the image from it,
mean.
produce object detection, concat them.
Okay, got you. Got you. One more thing, like so for object detection, I think I believe like we have to do some X coordinate, Y coordinate, and try to do some like we have to introduce some XLS file and then or TXT file or something like
See,
that.
it depends on which you are using. If you are using TF4D model like faster RCN and SSD mobile net, so
Mhm.
then you need to create some kind of a kind of a files which is used in the COCO format, which is used by the COCO
Right.
model.
Right.
Okay, so when you are doing with the YOLO, you need to create a TXT file. When you're doing with the TF4D, then you need to create a JSON file about the coordinates. And when you are going to label it using any kind of a tool like label AMG, it will be done automatically. You do not need to worry about it. You
Okay.
just need to create a bounding box around the objects which you need to detect.
Acha, acha. So one last question. Let's suppose this is the images that they have provided. If I'll try to figure it out, so these are the microparticles, and what they have did, they are trying to, you know, mm, do the classification. So let's suppose because what I did is like I collected multiple grains, and then do I have to do this bounding box by myself, or like how does this happen? I have
You
seen
need
one
to
here.
you
Yeah.
need to create a bounding box using the tools. There are a lot of tools which are available.
Yeah, understand. Let's suppose I have 1,000 images. Do I have to do that for all the images?
We do 10,000 images also in the projects or PCB. If you are seeing the PCB detection, there are a lot of images,
Okay.
more than 5,000 also. So
Acha.
this is in object in classification. You are only classifying the objects. In object detection, you are also locating their location and also doing some kind of a classification.
Acha.
So there are a lot of tasks in object detection. So you also need a high quality images with
Yeah.
more data set in object detection.
Okay, makes sense. So I think so. Let's suppose this images it has provided. So the annotation part, like this is a training part. So this or XML, he has annotated it like it the level MG has annotated it. Like
It will be auto generated whenever you annotate any image. It will be auto generated.
but it has like more than 1,000. So do I have to do for all? Then it will take a lot of time, right?
Yes,
And
yes, it will take. You need to do annotation for 1,000 image.
is it? Oh
You-
my.
Yes, yes, that's it.
Yes, people are doing annotation. Without annotation, how can you perform this task?
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है I understand. ठीक है, I'll go with this approach, but make sure, sir, like you just have to check that because I tried from last 1 week. I'm not sure what is going with that. Thanks.
Okay, the debugging one, what you are saying, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, share me that code. I will check right now.
Sure. Can I have your email ID, please? Yeah, tell me. This.
No. In chat, the link you that generated you in our previous
WeChat link, right?
yeah, WeChat no. WeTransfer.
ठीक है, I'll do that then. I think that's all. That's it. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, next question.
Hi, Vikas. This is Ankit.
Yes, Uncle.
So Vikas, like I have this small question. So the thing is that like if we have that for a Flask application in PyCharm, so if we have that API routes, so for example, we have one API route in which we have defined one variable, and we are taking input from a web browser in it. Okay. So if we want to use that variable in a different route, different API, okay, so some different API will show the error then, right, for that variable. So, like, just want to know how we can use that particular variable in the different route.
Means what you are doing means
Yeah, see for so in one particular API route, so I'm accepting the data from a browser, okay, from a form request.form. Okay,
Mhm.
so taking that reference, so I'm accepting some data from database as well, taking reference that particular variable.
Mhm.
Okay, so if I want to use that variable in a different API route as well, okay,
Okay, in a
as a
different API, you have
route.
created a different API route
Yes,
somewhere else.
yes. And I want to use that variable from a different API route in that route actually. So it will show a problem, right, in that particular case. So just want to know, like, is there any way that we can use that variable from one route to another route? That variable actually.
I think we can do that if you are creating any function of it. If you are creating, if that working in that function, so you just call that flask.
No, see,
Yeah.
function, the API route will be having it different functions, right? I mean, one
Mhm.
API route will be having its particular function, and we are like in which we are performing that API action, like whatever the action we are performing, and different API route will be having its different function, whichever we are performing. So, how you think? How I can use that variable? So see, basically what I'm trying to do is like, yeah,
Mhm.
I have defined one variable, and I am taking that, like taking the input from a web browser, and now there are multiple fields actually, but that particular field, so I'm taking the input from a web browser and just saving the data in the database. Okay, so I'm just like that one variable is there which I just want to take as a reference. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
can you show
hmm,
me can you show me a
okay.
code
Okay.
what you are
Yes.
doing? Can, so it would get me idea about it.
Sure. Sure. Hope you are able to see, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I think that this is not in perfect one. So it's just dummy I'm trying to do. So okay, okay. See, this is the app name
Mhm.
variable. So and
Mhm.
I'm getting the data from a text field from a particular web browser,
Mhm.
from a particular browser. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
so these are the text fields. So what I have done is like, okay, and like I like take me all the data. I have inserted the data in the database, and yeah. Okay, so this is the different API. Okay, so what I want to see, like it is having the different database. I'm just inserting it into this apply online database. Okay, and
Mhm.
here what I want to do, I just want to create a new database, and I'm inserting the values from this database to a new database, that is policy taken. Okay, so
Mhm.
there are some of the columns values that I need to insert from this database to this database, and it should be based on this particular app name variable. I mean, see, what the thing is that what I'm trying to do is the project I am making is like insurance web application. Okay, so
Mhm.
there will be a page that is accepting an applicant name.
Mhm.
Okay, so applicant name it will be accepting. So what I'm trying to do is like, so this what this API will do, it will fill all these details in a database, applicant details.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
so now this what this API should do, so this is the final API in which I'm trying to get not all the fields, some of the columns, along with one particular different column that I should put in this particular database only. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like, so I
So the
just need to,
second database is a different one,
it's a different one. Yes, it's a
okay.
different one. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, it's a different one. So some of the columns will be same. So that is why I'm just importing the data, because
Mhm.
data should be same from this database to this database, and depending upon this particular applicant only, actually.
Mhm. Mhm.
So this app name I have created in this API, and I think now it is showing this problem. That I know. I think it will show. So I just want like this should accept the whatever the app name variable value got updated, or I I got the value right when I just entered the browser, entered the value in the browser, and we just received this value in the variable name. So now I just want like, so this should also have this value, but I think we are using in a different API, so it's showing this problem. That's what I'm assuming.
Okay, okay. So you can, what you can do, you can use the same database. What is the problem with same database? Take the important columns, take the columns which you want.
Oh, that is fine. That is fine. But the thing is that, see, there will be different applicants, okay, different users that will be using. So, see, if I am putting some like one applicant, I'm putting my details. So it should pick that particular data of that particular applicant name only. That is what I just want actually.
Okay, so you want only the applicant name from that database.
No, not applicant name. Some of the columns and the reference should be this applicant name actually, where applicant name should be that particular data I want from that database actually.
Okay.
That's what I see. If this should be the applicant, see if we have a data, right, where this database, if applicant name is like my name is Ankit, if applicant name is Ankit, then like wherever the applicant name is Ankit, so that particular column data should be copied to this database that I want actually. You are getting my point, right? Or
Yes,
should
yes,
I,
I'm
should I
getting,
explain?
I'm getting what you're saying. You need that column onto this database if the applicant name is that.
Exactly. If that particular applicant name is there, so only those and the other columns that we have, that data should only be copied for that particular applicant. That is what I just want into that database, because I want to show that particular database in a web browser, actually in an HTML page. That is what I just want, not the whole data, only for that particular applicant name only. So that this app for Ankit, for applicant name as Ankit, all other data that I'm copying should be copied from that database, so that I can merge that in an HTML page. So
Okay,
actually, yeah. So I created this variable here, which I'm accepting it. So we can use this variable in same route, but in a different API, I think it will show the problem if I want to access it. So that's where I'm getting stuck.
I've also not done this database shifting from like taking the values from another database. Okay, I will tell you, like, let me think for some.
Okay. Oh, no issues. No issues.
Okay, any other question you have, you can ask.
No, as of now. Like,
Okay.
I'm just got stuck at this point.
Okay,
So,
Yeah, hi, Ritesh. So Priyavrat here. So actually last question. So
yes.
let's suppose I don't want to do annotation for 1,000 images. Let's suppose I have just done for 10 to 15 images. So can I build a model and trying to detect the object for a next image?
Yes, it will see, it will work. It will work if you only train a model for 100 images also. But the only problem is the MAP score. Mean average precision score is one of the important factor in object detection. So it will be less. It is not good. You can compare it as a accuracy.
Okay.
So in future, if you want some kind of a large data, you can annotate it and use it. Again, train your model.
Okay, so you're saying for lower images also, it will, let's say for 10 to 15 images also.
No, don't take 10 to 15. Take some 100 image. Take 100 images.
Okay, but like, do you have any approach, because for a weight it is very small, so how we can annotate that, and how is it possible? Let's suppose in that weight we have some damaged, we have some different thing, so like, so how like, let's suppose in that image also we have 1,000 weight, and then we have 1,000 images. So how we will do that?
Then see, you are doing a very tiny object detection, so it will be difficult. Like you need to have a such good quality image also. Not like the small images. You need to have a good dimension images where grains are spread. So that then you can take a look onto it, because in a cluster you can't detect anything. The images which are showing, it is very difficult for object detection. They are not meant for object detection. In object detection, wherever you see, you need to have a good quality of image with a high dimension, high resolution, because we want to also classify the object with predicting with making a bounding box also. So you need
Yeah,
to have a
yeah.
good quality, very good quality of images in object detection. This is true. So for that, you need to collect that images. That classification images won't work in object detection.
Okay, so you are saying those images which I showed, it is very difficult to detect the object.
Yes. It is very difficult to detect. You need to have some kind of a very good images, like very high quality images.
Wherein the grains should be separated.
Where the grains should be separated.
Okay, but let's suppose, because why I'm saying, let's suppose whenever someone goes to a mandi, you understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then what happens in US or something, like when they in applications they click the picture and they try to understand that in that grain how many are damaged, how many the object detection will detect that how many have been, how many count of the damaged grains, count of the good grains, and the count of everything. So for that, how we are approaching and
See,
how.
it depend on the training, what training they have done, onto what quality of images they have done. It's all depend on your training. If you have a good quality images, you can train it. You will get a better result from them also. So you need to have a good quality of images. That's it. Like you need to have a grains which are separated. On in the market, if there are a lot of grains, first of all, if there are a lot of grains, it is difficult. It depend on training, how training you have done. Like if your training is, you can't cluster all the grains. You can also just like there are a lot of grains. You can only take a look onto the surface grains
Yeah,
which
yeah,
are available.
only
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 the
that,
surface grains.
that is
So
also fine. Yeah,
o-
yeah.
only the surface image, and then you need to apply some kind of a this object detection. So for that, you need to have a very good image which shows zoomed grains. We show the zoomed grains. So that like each and like you have shown the blood cell, there is also like zoomed blood cells. So
Yeah.
for that, you should have a good quality of zoomed grains. Then only you can judge anything onto it.
Okay, okay. So you're saying like for training purpose, we should have separated grains, but let's suppose in the real time, if any if you get the image, in that image if overlapped with also if you're getting, then the model should be in a position to understand the right of.
Yes. See, if he gets the bounding box for one grain also, then it will be it will work good.
Acha,
Because and
acha.
if you train a model lot, then it will be able to get some more grains over it. It depends
Yeah.
on training, like how many steps you are going to train, how many images you are going to train.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
what my last ask is, so I think I just finished, like I just not, but lastly also I have watched Sudhanshu a video wherein he explained faster RCNN. So I believe that is gonna to work yellow V5.
Yes, faster RCNN. Faster RCNN is different, and YOLO V5 is different. Both the things are different. YOLO V5 is much better than faster RCNN and TF4D models.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense.
Yeah, because YOLO V5 is one of the fastest model which is present on the world currently for object detection. A lightweight and fastest model.
So your recommendation for this problem statement would be yellow V5.
You can go with the YOLO V5 because in fast TF4D models you need to require a huge computation power.
Acha.
That simple Google will not work. You need to have a Google Colab Pro to work with it. Like you need to have a good amount of RAM to train your model.
For
And
yellow V5 or faster RCNN?
for faster RCN, for any model it present onto the TF4D.
Okay, okay, okay.
You need to have a good quality. And for YOLO, you can work onto a low end system also.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, that is the reason I think for faster RCNN we do not have any project as such, I believe.
Yes, see, projects are there, but like you can see, it is very huge. Which is you can say computation is very much required. You can only work like if you have good quality of configuration, then only faster RCN work better.
I do have GPU actually, so I'm planning to do that. But do you have that faster RCNN wala project? Could you please share with me?
Okay. See. Just ping on the Skype. Someone will share with you some project. See, some projects are not uploaded. They will be uploaded by time, like whenever this topic will start onto your batch. That project will be uploaded. Like,
Don't you think this will be very late for me?
Yes, no, 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 no. It is not related for like it
No,
is
no,
see,
no. What I'm saying, don't you think this is very, very late for me? Like it will be late, right? Because I am doing it, and then
yes, yes, see,
I
see.
request.
Just ping someone from the Skype will drop you with the project of first RC.
Okay, 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 sure. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, yeah, welcome.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, Ravindra.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Ravindra.
Sir, I have little doubt regarding a linear regression problem statement, sir. Sir, it is regarding calculation, sir. That m nu is equals to m old minus eta of delta of e.
Yes, yes, say what calculation error you are facing.
Means that eta is learning rate, no, sir?
Yes, yes, it is the learning rate.
Yeah. After calculating the value, after calculating the new value, where we should apply that new value, sir? In old
It's
value
applied-
or?
It is applied onto that formula only, like where you need to apply the learning rate. Sir has told you onto the video, like
Yeah,
the
sir.
place. See, once you have find that learning rate, our task is to find the optimal learning rate.
Yeah,
Once
sir.
you have found that optimal learning rate, then it will be applied onto the formula to calculate the, you can say, to do the forward pass on
Okay,
in
okay, sir.
learning rate.
Yeah,
So
okay, okay.
okay.
Means after we get the one value, we
Yes,
have to
yes.
apply that after we get the value, we have to apply that in old value. Again, we have to calculate for another value.
Yes, yes. It is, you can say you are now going to put the updated value of learning rate.
Oh, okay, sir.
The
Means
optimal value.
every time we should update a new value.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay,
It
sir.
depend on the loss. It depend on the loss, like
Oh,
the
okay, sir.
conversion in the gradient descent. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir. And its range is between 10 to 0.00 like 401. That's it.
Yes,
no,
yes.
sir?
See, learning rate. You need to find some kind of a optimal learning rate. There is
Okay,
not a range. Some kind of a sometimes small value will give you the good result. Sometimes
Okay,
very
sir.
small value make your model very slow. So
Okay,
it
sir.
depends.
If the okay, sir. If the RSS is less, we can consider that it is more accurate.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes.
I get your point, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hello,
it
sir.
is, okay, sir, just 1 minute. Sir, is there any lag on my error, sir, that image extracting?
Yes, yes, Subrata.
Yeah.
It's like I have shown that issue. It's that issue is coming. It's like a headless and the DPU. If you are disabling it, okay, so your project will work. It's like that's just the headless is just accelerating the flow of your project. It would just accelerate it. It is not working with the GPU.
Okay.
So if you are disabling headless on the GPU, comment it out. Okay, so it should work. There is no any issue in there.
Sir, should I share my thing? I should disable the GPU headless part.
Yeah, with the if you are disabling the headless also, it should work.
Yeah,
Okay.
but there's a
And it's so and I have checked like Chrome version 89 version 89 version is there this is kind of bug is there because of that issue is coming.
okay, sir. That means it's a Chrome issue, sir, not from my code.
No, not from your side. It is a bug issue in that version only.
So I have to wait for the another version, or is there any way to? So that means I cannot use the disable. I mean, so I have to. So the pop-up Chrome will be open for every time, right? I mean,
Yeah. Here you are not using a GPU, so if you are not using a headless, also it should work. So it's good for you. Like if you are commenting the headless and it is working fine for you, don't use a GPU. Okay.
so I have a GPU on my machine, so I have tried it out.
Yeah. It's a version a bug issue is there.
Okay, sir.
If you want to do that, you can downgrade your Chrome version and use a Chrome
Okay, sir. I got
driver.
it.
Then you can use
Okay,
it.
so that means it's a Chrome issue with that particular version I am using, right?
Yeah.
So that means okay. Okay, sir. No problem, sir. So, sir, I will send the. Sir, help me with the Tableau connection to the concern. I will send a mail, and please, sir, guide me a detailed.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank
We'll
you.
try to give you some solution.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, so I am ready, right?
Okay, Subrata.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Suraj.
Hello.
Yes, Suraj, go on with your question.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have a problem with architecture document.
Architecture document.
Yes, sir. Last time you shared a sample, but I am not able to understand the document. Like I'm stuck on data view and deployment. part.
Okay.
Deployment view.
Tell what error what problem you are facing on to that.
Sir, actually, what kind of diagrams are there? And like here in logical view, what is what has described?
Okay. So wait a minute. What you have understand with logical view? What you need to write?
Logical view, like the where
Just
it is.
see. In logical view, just write the what all logic you have implemented inside it. How your components are request response model is how it is working. How request is going, how response is coming. So you are doing something, no? Like let's say you have sent some kind of a data. For that you are then this data is going to the another block where the testing will happen, where training will happen. So if you have these kind of thing, you can write onto the logical view. Logical view is just you can say when you write any program, any C++ program, like if this is happened, then we will do this. If this is happened, then we will do this. In a similar fashion, you can write there, like this block is doing this. If we face any kind of error, it will be going to the except condition. So this is all the thing you need to write onto the logical view. Just give a logical overview, how your functionality is working, how your architecture functionality is working. This is all.
Yes, sir. Can you give me the access my another account? That's name is Suraj. To share.
Okay. Vikas sir.
Suraj, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So, sir, this is the part. Like,
okay, fine. It is good. Like, fine. Okay.
So, actually, this is the sample one.
Okay. It is good. Like, which you are implementing, it is the correct thing which you are implementing. Okay.
Sir, like, what do I need to do? Yeah. Like, like I'm working on block creator project. So,
yes,
can you give an example?
Okay, so
validation of data and all. No, I've got a forms like updating and creating blocks.
Okay, so you are working on block creating. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so in block creating, what all things you are having? Like what all components you are having?
Like creation of block, updation, CRUD.
CRUD. Okay, you are having all the CRUD operation and another thing for AI, ML, anything you are having?
Training no, sir, it's a pure Python project.
Okay. So just you can search for like system design for Medium. You can get to know like what all things they have done.
Okay, sir.
Just search for system design. System design is one of the famous thing which you can get, like this is the place where we are going to apply this. Then request will go to the load balancer. Then load balancer will balance the load. It will send it to this streaming service. You have a lot of components here. Let's say multiple persons are entering onto your blog at a time.
Yes.
Just think for your consumption size. What is your consumption size? If your consumption size is more than 1,000 to 20,000, then you need to apply some kind of a load balancer, balancing the load. If you are sending some kind of a messaging service, subscriber messaging service, then you need to take a look onto Kafka. So there are a lot of things which you need to implement onto this, but just search for blog system design for any blog application, any famous blog application. Just search for it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
And what about this interface definition?
What
interface definition? Like
interface. Okay, so what you are doing? Okay, so you are interface is just, you can say, okay, so what you are written, I'm not able to understand. Actually, we were
sir, it is sample one. So like I think it is in Java.
Okay, it is in Java, correct. Okay, so you for client interface, you are sending some request. Just create a request response model. Don't HTTP response and HTTP request. These all models. Don't make it too much complex like HTTP. Just send some kind of a request. make take a look on microservices, how microservices connect with each other.
Okay.
So just take a look onto like how API work. Make use of API well. Like take a look onto a lot of API. API is nothing. API is not like Google API or taking any Swiggy API. API is like you can even create your API. Let's say you want to update something, you can create API for updating. You can create application programming interface. So these all don't make too much complex. Like first create a simple blog. It has like if you have seen like iNeuron blogging site.
Yes.
If you have seen that, it is very simple. It is created on the React. So you can use React. So using React in JavaScript, you can easily do that, these all things. Then
Actually,
another
sir,
thing.
I have created the project, but the architecture part was like backlog.
Okay. So what you mean by backlog? Like
I put it for like I was not understanding. I sent a mail to internship.
Yes.
iNeuron, but like it's been 7 days. Like I got a mail today, but like it was not able to understand.
Okay. So you have sent some kind of a idea, or you have sent some kind of a request.
Means I didn't understand.
In mail, what you have sent it like? In mail, what you have
sent? I was asking for architecture document sample.
Okay. You are asking for architecture document as a sample.
Sir, actually, last time sir told us like the architecture document we can cut the architecture part from LLD and paste in as another document and submit it as architecture.
Okay. See, you have been asked for submitting the architecture diagram. Okay, so in the previous session we have said that. So just create it and submit it. Create this.
Yes, I was trying that. That's what I was not understanding.
Okay, so what thing you are not understanding? I have explained the logical view.
Yes. Yeah, data view.
Okay, so in data view, what you are using in data view? Okay, so unified modeling. Like, okay, so you can create a ER diagram. Create a ER diagram.
Okay.
Create a ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, and that's it. Do nothing. Just create a ER diagram. ER diagram.
And about this deployment.
Okay, so this deployment, just create it simple. Just remove these all. Just create it simple. Let's say, just imagine yourself. Let's say you are having application. What you will do? You will deploy it to the AWS. Search for some AWS services. How you are going to deploy them. That's it. Create some kind of a small architecture. No one is going to like take a look onto all these like diagrams. Just simplify it. Just simplify most of the things from it.
Yes, sir. Okay. And sir, how I was preparing a resume, sir, I watched the video on YouTube. Sir told us like resume was the first part. So you need to create a resume. So I was trying to create, but my resume was like 3 pages.
Okay. See, don't worry. At the initial, if it is a 3 pages, don't worry. Just cut down. Like just cut down what all paragraphs you have written. At the initial, if it is a 3 pages, don't worry. Just take a look some kind of a template. There is a website known as Rezi. Go to that website Rezi.ai. They have a template.
Rezi.ai.
Yes, just search for Rezi resume. Yeah, they will land you there. So in that you will get a single page templates for AMD company, for Deloitte company, and these all. The resume which are selected. Check for free versions. You can take that template and write only the important part. You will itself get the single page resume.
Okay. And how many projects to include?
You can include 3 to 4. Don't include much. Just include 3 to 4. Some projects for your own. The project which you have done itself, and 1 to 2 with the team. Team projects are important. Like if you're having 1 projects with team or 2 projects with team, it will be good. Like if you don't have just
have a team project.
Okay, then just have 3 projects onto your resume.
Okay. And sir, can you send me your Skype link?
Okay, so you can ping onto the support at the rate.
Okay. I can share the resume to review.
Yes, you have shared the resume. Okay, I will take a look. Onto it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will take a look onto it. Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Go on with your question.
Hello, sir. Sir, today I got assignment from some company, and I am trying to solve the assignment, but I am stuck in some part. Can you please look on it?
Yes, yes. So what is the
Yes,
what was the problem statement?
yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen.
Hmm.
1 minute. So, is it visual, sir?
Yes, 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 yes.
Sir, I have completed the first task and second task. I have get a data frame in which there is 3 column: time, power turbine 1, power turbine 2, and power turbine 3.
Mm-hmm.
And in first task, only I have to tell the which library I have to use. And in second part, I have to read and cleaning the data and remove the null. And I want to one question, sir. Converting the time column to timestamp and power to double. And is this the correct way, sir? This one is the data frame, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And it is the correct way to converting the time column to timestamp.
Time column you are converting to timestamp. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
show me what's under the time column you have? What
Yes,
is
sir.
the format of it?
The format of time column is the date time 64.
Base 60.
Date time 64.
Date time 64. Okay.
Yes, sir. And this one is the data frame, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And I use this from a time date time import date time. I use this and store all the element in a list and add the list to a new column. Is this the correct way, sir?
Yes, yes, it is correct. You can share me your the whatever the problem statement you have. You can share it with me. I'm sharing my mail ID to you. Okay, I'll give you some solution of it. You
I am stuck
receive.
on.
Yeah.
I am stuck on this part, sir. Should I have,
Okay. I have to be sure about it. What is the problem statement? Then I will take. Oh, at the third task you are stuck, right?
Yes,
At the
sir.
third task. Okay. I'm sharing my mail ID to you. Okay, I have shared my mail ID to you. Just share the problem statement with me. Okay.
Sir, this one is the I will. This one is my website. I got this assignment in my profile, sir. I will take the screenshot and share the.
Yeah. Give me a screenshot also. That will be also fine.
Yes, sir. And the last date of submitting the assignment is Saturday, sir.
Okay. Share with me. But I will look for it and give you some solution.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes. I will say.
Actually, I stuck in deployment section. As I say, let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes, I will say.
It is visible, sir.
Not yet.
Not even. It is visible, sir. It's still not visible.
Mm-hmm. Not yet visible.
Now, sir.
It's visible.
So actually, I was stuck in deployment section. I have done all the things related to, but I cannot do deployment part. But yesterday I can deploy the section, but to the server is not taking the like I have a local host like this local host like this. But when I try to deploy on Heroku, they are showing some error. I don't know what
Okay.
kind of error. I
Can
try
you
to.
show me the dashboard activity log? Can you show me in a dashboard in Heroku?
Just a minute. Yes, sir. It's
No, not in here. Go on the right hand side. More option is there, right? More
more.
on on right side.
Okay.
Hmm.
View logs. View logs, sir.
Yes, view logs.
Yes, sir.
A process running. So have you passed the proc file correctly? Yeah, the proc file is correct.
Sir, yes, I try to use. This is the proc file. Gun Unicorn Pandeshop. This is Pandeshop proc 3. This is
I think it is not correct. Let me check in file.
You're using Flask or Django? Django. I'm using Django, sir. You have created wsgi.py. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, so there is another way to
Pritesh, I think you are in mute.
Hello. Yes, yes. Wait a second. Wait a second. Show me requirements. Requirements one. Requirement.txt. Just a minute, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, it is correct. What issue you are getting? Show me the error. This is the error that I am getting right now. But yesterday I was getting that it built a successful, but it's showing bad request and other sometimes it's showing service error 500. Right now it don't even pushing my project. Okay, so pushing is not a problem. It will be pushed to the, you need to delete .get folder and it will be pushed. But if it is getting bad request, then it is a different, then it is a problem in the code base only. You have done some kind of changes. It is your code. Yes, it's my code. I've done all my things. Actually, I have all the things that I've give allow hostess, allow routes,
Okay.
and then I also give static file root. This is this is the static root files, and then Django, I can also deploy a Django on things. This is the thing that I know about Heroku. Okay, so it is working on local. Yes, it's not working on local. This is, you can see, this is working on local. Yes, it's working on local. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, then show me the, go to your, you can see my local
Yes,
host.
yes. Go to PyCharm.
Yes.
Okay, so it will be uploaded. Then after the uploading, what you are getting, what issue you are getting?
Yesterday, day before yesterday, I got bad request error. Then I solved this error. Then after get service error 500. This is the error that I'm getting. I tried to install white noise and wait server from, I tried to search from YouTube and other, but still not able to deploy.
Yes, see, it will be deployed. There is not a problem. Just delete .get folder and perform all these steps. It will be deployed. There is not a problem in. delete .git folder. Go to your Windows. You need to unhide it. It is hidden. And push it to the GitHub again, and then take a look onto it. Then you
Git.
.git folder you need to delete. Go to your files explorer, and there you need to unhide that folder. Go to your file explorer, where is the project is located.
Okay. This is the project that we got. This is the.
Okay. Go to view. Go to view. At the top view. After the share. Go to view. At the top. Home share view.
Oh, sorry.
No. Go to view. Home. No. Go to your project, and then inside your project, press on view. Go to view tab.
Yes, I don't.
At the top, yes, click on it.
Yes.
Hidden items. Check on the hidden items.
Okay.
Delete .git folder. .git folder at the top. Delete it. And now perform all the operation again, deploying to a Heroku and each and everything. Then it will be pushed. After pushing, if you're getting any error, show here.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir, because sir, I had mailed you. Can you please check and confirm me?
Okay, let me check. Yes, Rishikesh Narayan, right?
Yes, sir, Rishikesh Narayan.
Okay. Okay. Let
Okay,
me
sir.
look into it and give you the solution.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, next question.
Sir, I took this flight fair project. Sir, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, your screen is visible. Naveen.
Here, data set link is given. And
Data set?
Data set link is given. Again, you are mentioned like you are supposed to use given data set, which is Cassandra.
No, you have to push. You have to do a feature transformation in the data set, then push to the data Cassandra. So that is a database link.
Could you please repeat? Hello, sir. Could you please repeat once?
Yes.
Could you please repeat once? I didn't get it.
Yeah, I was saying is like that link is for your Cassandra database, not a data set link. There is a database link is there. So you need to do a transformation into a data, whatever the things are required for a feature engineering, do that and then push to Cassandra. So that's because this link is available for you. You have to use this Cassandra database. Okay. This is not a data set for you.
First, I have to do with this data set link, do some feature engineering, and the code I have to push in this link.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, for the system architecture, you can how to do system architecture by sample. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Naveen. What's your question?
You create this system architecture. Is there any template? It will be helpful.
If you can check in LLD, architecture design is available. You have to check in an LLD sample we have given.
Okay, sir. One more thing. Sudhanshu sir gave this data set to do some task. In this, if you see it's a TWF and HDF, top right, top side, right side. Yes. These columns are having values of zeros. 6 column having values of zeros. Can we delete these columns?
You have to check in the columns is a zero only is available, or some
Yeah,
binary value is available,
this
like
column
a 0 or
contains
1.
this column contains only zeros and null values of each column as 10,000.
Okay, so if a 0 is available only, so you can omit it.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt. Suppose we have 2 columns: process temperature and rational speed. These two we have. These 2 columns we have. In these 2 columns, we find multicollinearity. In that case, can we delete one column?
Which column you want to delete it? The process
Suppose
temperature and rotational speed.
suppose process temperature and rational speed. I found it as a suppose I found it as a multicollinearity between these 2 columns. Then can I delete one of these columns?
In a multicollinearity, if you are not getting it, is like it is related to this column, right? So you can delete it if it is not showing.
Okay. Sir, what is the sir? One more doubt. What in work in companies we do code or doing project in Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm?
ID you can use is like a PyCharm you can use, or a Visual Studio you can use. It is doesn't like you have to use a PyCharm. You can use any ID. This is
No,
a
sir.
You don't have to use a Jupyter Notebook for a project. For a visualization thing you can use it, but for a project you don't have to use this Jupyter Notebook.
Why I'm asking is I check so many projects in GitHub. Most of them are using Jupyter Notebook, but but in our project we have to do in PyCharm. Yeah, that is my doubt. What is the difference in doing Jupyter Notebook PyCharm?
In Jupyter Notebook, we are doing a visualization thing, and the feature engineering part, whatever the feature engineering part should be done. So we are running the which couldn't be done in a PyCharm, right? It shouldn't be. We have to run the whole block. Whole is like line 1 to line 14. We have to run it, which is under the function. So it doesn't show you it's like after after every block we can't see, like after every line we can't see that. Without debugging we can't see that, right? So with the Jupyter Notebook we can do that. While you doing a print statement, we can check it right in Jupyter Notebook.
Sir, what is this wireframe? I didn't get.
Wireframe is we have to add a architect. We have to add our UI integration. How we are preparing a UI integration. You can check. Open this the document, wireframe document. Open it. For your project, you have to prepare a UI integration. Okay, it's like you can see how your homepage should be look like. So it should be a rough sketch of it. Okay, so at the version 1, how you are preparing a UI integration. Okay, then and a version 2, if that UI is got failed, how you have changes in the how you have done changes in that UI. So you have to mention all the things. First the rough sketch should be there, and the final one, how you are adding in
Sir,
wireframe.
in I took this is the project for flight fair project title, but in wireframe it's showing food recipes, some food recommendation.
It is a sample for you, right? It is a sample for you how to prepare a wireframe. So with this sample, you have to understand about your project, how you have to create a UI of it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, if I don't know UI, then how to proceed?
Means you have some understanding, little bit of understanding about the HTML, so you can create a UI of it.
No, sir, I'm
And many web framework is also available in Python, like PyQt or Tkinter. You can use any of the web application. Okay. So
Okay,
you have to check a official documentation of whatever I told you for a web application. So you'll get the idea how to create it. Okay.
okay, sir. Sir, in website in this project, while predict for the user, we have to show in UI mode, right? I don't have much skills in UI because I didn't face anything in my data accounts. Can I leave that part? UI part.
No, you have to complete this part. It's because it's mandatory to create a web app for a project.
Sir, one more thing. While applying algorithm, we find accuracy of the model. That accuracy model, what we can say with that? What we just to tell this is the best algorithm to find this much accuracy, or anything else we can say with it.
Sorry, what was your question, Naveen?
While applying algorithm, we get some accuracy for different algorithms. For that accuracy, what we can say?
Accuracy you are getting, and with that accuracy,
by looking that accuracy value, what terms we can say?
Okay. So you are saying to interpret what we are going to interpret from accuracy. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so accuracy is a measure to know how your model is performing. So it is kind of a metric. You need to take a look onto it. There are a lot of metrics like recall, precision, F1. So you can take a look onto them also, how your model is performing. These all.
Okay, got it, sir. Got it, sir. Sir, one more. By looking problem statements, how we segregate this project is Python, this project is machine learning.
See, if it is a food recommendation system, then it is going to be recommend some. See, everything is written onto the documentation which you are getting. Like, just read it. You will get to know. Like, if we are providing with some data set, or we are asking for you to collect some kind of a data set, then it is a machine learning project. So see, if you are only having some kind of a UI work, or you are building a blog application, then it is a web application, web development work.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this,
see, everything is written at the top. Technology, machine learning. You will get to know wherever we are using machine learning, we will give you the task, what you need to collect and what you need to do.
Here clearly specified. I'm asking general. In this data set, we have to apply feature engineering cell, then we have to push into
the similar way, the projects, all the projects which are present onto the dashboard of the machine learning, you need to do all the tasks like feature engineering, pre-processing, and these all, and get a model at the end, and take a data set from the Cassandra. Pull the data set from the Cassandra onto your notebook or PyCharm.
Okay. Okay. After pushing data set into Cassandra, we have to retrieve it from
Retrieve
Cassandra.
it from the Cassandra and make changes if you want to. If you are pre-processing data, create a new data set and send it to the Cassandra. These all things you need to do. That is
Sir,
why we have given you the Cassandra. Okay. See.
Sir, we have ready available data set with us. Why we are again pushing data into Cassandra and why?
No. See, if you've done some kind of a transformation or pre-processing, you need to push onto the Cassandra. We are following some kind of a pipeline so that it will be not difficult when you are having a large project. Then you can easily work upon it. You do not need to manage your data set. Let's say at the end of the project, you are having a cluster of 5 to 6 files. Some are pre-processed, some are not pre-processed. So if you have shorted your files and send it to the Cassandra, then when you are pulling it, you will get to know like which file is our requirement, or you can take a look onto the Buffer project, Buffer fault. It has a lot of files, some data sets also. So for these also, we need some kind of a database to put that data into the database. We can't manage them onto our system. That's why we are utilizing Cassandra.
Sir, I general data set is like this one. In this one, we have to do pre-processing.
Yes, you need to perform pre-processing, then push it to the Cassandra. Then whenever you need, pull it from the Cassandra. That's it.
Okay. After pre-processing, we do model building.
Yes, you need to do model building.
For model building, while doing model building, we have to retrieve data from Cassandra.
Yes, you need to retrieve data from Cassandra.
Okay, until that we can do any changes.
Whenever you make changes, push it as a new version to the Cassandra. That's it. Like.
Okay, sir.
Similar to Git operation. Okay.
Sir, I want to do two projects, two machine learning projects, which is Flight Flare project, and one more is credit card default. If two are good, do I have to do any other?
It is good. If you have a choice, you can work upon it. You can do that.
I have 1.6 years experience.
Okay.
Which kind of project I have to do?
Okay.
I am asking suggestion.
Yeah, you can work. You can work on any project which you like. Like you can work upon.
I'm asking whether it is by one machine learning, one deep learning, or two on machine learning, which will be.
You can work on both. Whether machine, just complete one by one. You can take any projects. There are projects available on each and every domain.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, this is Ankit.
Yes, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, I think I just asked you one question like regarding that variable name, I think. Okay, so
variable name. Yes,
yeah, I got something on it like related to session actually.
Okay.
So I think I just found something like if we are putting that variable in a particular session, so that will remember our variable value, and I think we can use that. So is that fine, right? And like we can use that. I mean, I just read it somewhere.
You can use sessions. You can use session for that. You can use it, but like I have never tried this thing, so I can't comment. Like you need to test it. You need to test it, like how it works.
Okay.
Like,
and one more thing, like, so actually the project I'm working is like right now Python. It's because like machine learning is have just started, so not much aware of it. And then the Python side as well, not aware of that web related things. Like Flash says Python is also new for me, and like these HTML is like pulls apart. But still, I have tried from my side to build the interfaces from HTML and CSS. So just want like actually there are the three requirements. So the first requirement is to login registration page. Second, that user can I mean purchase the products, insurance products, and the third one, so based upon the number of products that the user have purchased, so they'll be put up into some category. So like I have just created something. So can I show you like because do we need to like work on only these requirements, or along with it we need to merge a lot of things that web application is needed, because that will be again a very like bit difficult.
No,
for
no,
me.
no, no. See.
Can
If
can
you're
I
work-
show you that?
You can show. Just share.
Okay, I think someone is sharing. It's Naveen. I think Naveen.
Naveen,
Can
you
you
can-
just? Thank you. Actually, session I used in login registration. So I just forget it when I was building the different pages. So I just like thought like if we can use. So I'll try that once in that particular thing as well. Okay. So the pages are simple actually because I'm not much aware of that HTML and CSS. So is that fine, right? I mean, like it
Yes,
will be
yes, it is.
accepted, right?
It is fine. Just your functionality should work.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I've created this page. So if like we'll put some like different name which is not already available in the database, so it will mention like the invalid credentials. Okay, so in that particular way, we need to have a sign up. Like if we put something and to sign up, so it will show as incorrect username. We'll put the correct one. So in case of incorrect username, so we need to sign up here. So it will accept the email again, name, password, and email ID. That particular sign up, we have a different page for it. So once we log in, so again I have like three different things. So health insurance policy list, apply online, and policy list. So in health insurance policy list, so it will contain the policy list that is available from the insurance company side. Okay, so as of now, like say we have just two policy lists, two policy types, that is like Jeevan Suraksha and Jeevan Jeevan. Okay, and so
Okay.
if I want to apply, so once I'll apply it, so again I'll be seeing these two, and it will ask the policy that we want to select. So if I want to select, let's say this one, so it will ask for the details, one of the details, the applicant name, address, name, mobile number, email.
Okay. See. Yeah, fine. It looks good. Like you can send, like you can, when say it is completed, you can send for the review. Like
It's not yet complete. Actually, the last thing is mentioned. So wait a second. Let me just take this one. So once I'll save it, so it will come to a particular page where the policy that we have selected and saved. So it will give us. So this policy number, actually it is an auto incremented one in the database, or auto incremented field. So whenever any new policy or user will add its policy, so that number will be incremented. So this will be the policy number that I have defined in a particular way.
okay.
Yeah, you're getting my point, right? I mean, like every time will any user will be adding a new policy, it will be auto incremented with a particular number. So that number will be a policy number for that user. Actually, that's how I have designed it.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So this is the one, and I think so. This is the one that like I have for this particular applicant name. So this will be the details. So the last thing I think that I just want to add is like another page in which I need to add a logic. If user have more like particular user have applicant have more policies, then he'll be into a one particular category. Like for example, if he have two policies, that he'll be in bronze category. If he has five insurance products, he'll be in silver category. If 7, then gold category. So that particular thing I need to actually add.
Okay.
So I think I'll be adding that particular page depending upon the logic. So I think they just want to ask like if this like thing is fine or like uh,
Yes, it is
different,
fine. It
because
is fine.
I'll be adding like some more things actually, like
It is fine.
some more buttons, like if you want to go at the initial page, so I'll be adding the button, one more button here that will be give like reach out to so that we can reach out to that customer again page, that customer page. So I'll be adding some more things. So just want to
Okay.
ask, like it's a very simple thing, so I think it will be approved or not, that I was just a bit unsure actually.
It is fine. It is fine. It looks good. It is fine.
Yeah, thank you. Vikas, I think.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, it's still showing same error. Let me.
What error? Which one?
The deployment section showing same error.
It is not deploying.
Hello.
Yes, it is not deploying, or it is showing you the.
No, it is not deploying. Rejected. Same error after. You can see my screen, sir.
Yes, yes.
This is.
Okay, 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 okay. Do one thing at the top. What it is saying? Error response CMD. Okay, it is not the problem. Here. Okay. Pushing. Use -F. Have you used -F? Force push.
-F.
Yes, yes. Type the previous command. Git push.
Get. Sorry. Get push.
-F.
-F.
Heroku master. You are working on the master branch or the main branch?
Master branch, sir.
Just check onto your project once.
I think I'm working on same. Just a minute. Master branch. This is the same swing. Master.
Go to above, like go to show your command line. Open that Heroku one.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, let's see. Okay, it is pushed.
This is the URL that it gives.
Yes, yes. Go to it. It will show you some error. Okay, then see the Heroku logs and fix it. It is pushed successfully. Now you can see the Heroku logs and check what are problems you're facing. Go to the Heroku, show the Heroku application logs.
Okay.
Go to the application and take a look onto the logs.
This is the no web server processing.
No web processes running. Wait.
I don't know. I'm trying to get from last 2 days, but still not able to. I've done all the things that which I know from search from YouTube and other things and other resources.
Wait a second. Do this. Type this Heroku command. Wait a minute. I'm sending on to the chat. Type this Heroku command onto the terminal. Go to a terminal. Go to a terminal
Okay, okay.
where you have pushed. Take the
Hmm.
command which I have given you onto the chat.
It is not taking web type. This is the error thing. Profile declare types web. Yeah, this यहाँ web होना चाहिए शायद से.
Have you saved the proc file?
Yes, I have set the profile. This is the profile. This is the profile. Gun unicorn foundation. This is. I have done command मैंने कर दी है. Execute नहीं हो रही. This is that I couldn't find that at the process type. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes, Abhishek.
This is the error, sir, after your command. Couldn't find that process type web.
Okay, couldn't find that process type.
Hmm. This is proc file error, but I don't know why this is error. Gun unicorn. Pandey show.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's because of the proc file only. It's not able to find it out
Hmm.
web services.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
clearly shown in your
Hmm.
logs also, right?
Yes. But I've done all the thing on unicorn Pandey stop, and this is the WSGI file.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all the things are correct, but why it is giving this is an issue. So can you paste that issue what you are getting at the log? Can you copy it and paste in chat? Let me see. Not this one.
Then log.
Log. Yes. The whole thing from the at is equal to error to the last.
Okay. Done, sir. Should I wait, sir?
Yeah, I got it. Let me check what is the issue. Can you show me the Gunicorn spelling? I think you are giving it wrong. Double and I think I have seen. Okay, and then
Gun.
it's correct. Okay. No. You are giving it wrong. It is GUNICORN, not the
Oh.
UN. remove the UN. Yes.
No, all the things same.
Yeah, all the things are same. I think it is pushed, right? Remove the
Yeah.
dot get and run the same commands.
I think there is no.
Dot get in here, yeah. In your project file.
And show me once your proc file once again. Let me give you.
He have given a wrong spelling. It's because of this.
Okay, 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 okay. Then fine. GUNIC ORN. Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, just give me. No, I give to all command initiate all the things.
Yeah. Remove the dot get from the folder.
Yes, it's removed.
Okay, it's removed. Then run the command, whatever the commands is available.
Okay, now it will work. Now it will work. Okay.
Oh shit. Sorry. I've done everything. मैं उसी URL से चलाऊंगा मैं same. Hello.
Yes, Abhishek. Everything is updated. You need to deploy it now.
Deploy it again. I guess you have gone to the wrong. Open it. Open the terminal. Okay. Why you are into the scripts? Like deploy this whole application like Pandey shop like. Why you are deploying these scripts? Okay, then fine. If you're deploying these scripts, then you have to deleted .git folder.
Actually, I have deleted.
Yes, yes. Do git in it once. Do git in it.
There is no git folder, I think.
In terminal, he's saying you have to check in a terminal. Try get in it.
You need to initialize first. Then only you can execute the commands.
Okay.
Okay, now work. Now check git status first.
Check Heroku get status.
No. Git status.
Sorry.
Remove the Heroku. Git status only. Just check.
Nothing.
Okay, push it to the GitHub. I guess your screen is freezed.
Abhishek, you're there? Hello.
I guess he is disconnected. Till then, like Lalit Mohan, what question you are having?
Yes, Lalit. What's your question? Lalit, you're writing something? Hello.
Okay, so I guess there is no more questions.
Okay, share is. What was the issue, Lalit? Can you tell me? Indentation error. At which line this error is coming? Can you show? At line number 94. Okay, check how you have given a code in here. Like a comment data is somewhere else.
No, yes, yes, comment. Make it proper indentation. Shift
Yes.
it.
Yes. Okay, I think it should. It will. That is the only question you have, right? It is working.
Okay, then fine. Like,
Okay. Okay, Lalit. Okay, so I think all the doubts have been cleared. So if you have any query or something, you can write your query at query@tineuron.ai. We'll meet in next class. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining.